really enjoy in life is teaching and sharing my personal and professional experience of preparing and cooking delicious meals. Hi, welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. Today I'd like to share with you how I prep before I teach a cooking class. If you're new here, my name is Jen and I'm a community education culinary instructor. So today I'm going to teach Asian dumplings. It's a simple dish, but it is very flavorful, from the sauce, the marinade, and of course the dumpling wrappers that we're gonna make from scratch. And I'd like to share with you that process that I go and everything that I prep before I start the class. As you all know, that writing down everything is the way that you can remember it. So I make this checklist and I checked off everything that I need before I pack them. And here are the aromatics that I'm going to use to marinate my ground pork. I have green onions, garlic, and ginger. I'm making 2 batches, so I double the recipe. But first, I like to sharpen my knife so that I can easily slice everything smoothly. And I'd like to have a trash bowl next to me just to dump everything in there. And then for the green onions, I'm just slicing them really into small slices. And then I have this small container. I place everything in the container, as well as for my garlic and my ginger. So the garlic and ginger, I mince them also. I mince them very finely, and then I place them in a smaller container and then pack them. And then for the meat, I'm bringing the one recipe for the meat to show them how to marinate it, and then I'm making one that's already pre-made so then we can have extra for the class. And it's very simple. It's just a mixture of the soy sauce, the gochujang, the sesame oil, and then of course the ginger, garlic, and green onions, and 1 egg for binder, and then you mix everything. And this I'm gonna bring so we have extra. And then for the sauce, it's also pre-made. The sauce are pretty simple too. It just has some honey, some sesame oil, and brown sugar, soy sauce, and vinegar. And then for the flour, it's just 2 cups of flour. And then this is for the dumpling wrappers, and 2/3 of warm water. And then I'm gonna bring one that's already pre-made that I will make at home, and then I'm gonna bring the ingredients that I'm gonna show them. Then I have this insulated bag that I put everything, so then all the refrigerated one goes into this bag. And then I have another like carrier that I like to bring also. And then it's ready to just tie up my hair and just make sure that it's out of the way. So I like to tie it up, and I'm ready to go. And here we are in the school and waiting for everyone to start. And now here we go. So we started a class. Everyone is trying out how their dumplings taste and trying to pack something, to go. And it's really a fun class. I really enjoyed it. And here's my dear husband, after work, still willingly come with me and help me out. So we end the class and everybody's happy. They have some take home for their dumplings. And the thing is, they really love that they made the dumpling wrappers from scratch. This is it. We end the class, another success class. And I am happy. They're happy. And I am happy also.